So depending on the type of knowledge base that you have, you may need to choose the best working chunking strategy. So here we can choose, and accordingly it will load that specific chunking strategy. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Hi, we all know that RAG is an integral part of any chatbot where you offer the local knowledge to the user. So user queries will first look at the local knowledge before answering. So every query will check the local knowledge to collect the context and use that context along with your query to a large language model. So now when it comes to RAG, there are different ways RAGs can be implemented. Chunking strategies that we saw. So there are different chunking strategies. So depending on the type of data, you may need to experiment with these chunking strategies and see what works best and for that type of knowledge base. And there are different search types as well. We have seen 5 different videos on different chunking strategies. So in this video, we are putting everything together into a single chatbot so that you can side by side compare which strategy works best for you. So this is the placeholder website, and we have embedded our multi-use chat system in here. Okay, so let's click on it, and here we have all the 5 different chunking methods that can be used for RAG. So depending on the type of knowledge base that you have, you may need to choose the best working chunking strategy. So here we can choose, and accordingly it will load that specific chunking strategy. So this is a very nice mechanism for you to see what works best for your client. So when you build a system for your client, you can give this option during the pilot phase to see which one your client likes best. Okay, so this way you can choose different type of chunking. And then here this chat system has access to large language model. Okay, so this is the knowledge base that we are using, and we will ask for the recipe. Okay, so here the recipe from the knowledge bases come, and then it also has the booking tool which you can customize or adapt it to your specific needs. I am Sri, please book a table for me. So it is calling the booking tool, and your table is book Sri, your booking reference number is so and so. The code needed for you to run this is available in Techie Talks AI, Agno AI Chatbot 002 chunking. All you need to do is to clone the repo. The URL is given in the description, and then Docker Compose up. You can also specify -- build when you are running for the first time. Okay, and it will start the sample website, web server, PostgreSQL database, and also the chat application. Okay, so let's look at the code. Now here we are initializing the knowledge base based on the chunking strategy that we have selected from the drop down, and the drop down is there in the sidebar. We have the reasoning checkbox, we have the chunking strategy radio button, which will allow agentic, fixed, recursive, document, and semantic chunking. The rest of the code is identical to our previous session. So in this video, our focus is on how to allow different chunking strategies within a single chat application so that you get to decide what works best. So for different types of knowledge. Okay, so that is it for this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and see you again in another video like this. Next video, we will see how we can select different search options